Hello everyone, my name is Barbara and I'm a Polish girl who lives in Ireland and likes to knit, and today I'm going to do unboxing, my second this month. I don't know what is inside this box, so we shall see once I open it. But if you want to see my previous unboxing this month, go check link down below, or let's leave it over here too, which is KnitCrate membership. What I got a yarn and a pattern, and I'm going to do something extra with it. Check it out. Right, so come into this one. If you're here for the first time and you've never heard about KnitCrate's monthly membership subscription, you'll be getting to your door every month, and this is kind of a surprise, so if you don't want to look, don't look. But if you, like me, like to know ish what who got what, I like to watch videos like this. So second of all, the most important part of the thing is that you can get a 20% discount if you're interested to sign for any subscription. Use KL20. Thank you so much for KnitCrate. They're sending me boxes to open up and show it to you guys. All important links are down below. Check them out later. Okay, so what it is. Ta-da! We have an amazing box. On the box it says that if you received any of the boxes and you want to take part in the giveaway to have a chance to win 3 free months membership, don't forget to do that. Okay, and here it is, KnitCrate membership for month June. Here is a lovely card. We ice cream. So it's a play of the words for the word scream. It's a colorful thing, and that's what the colors of this one are. On the back of this lovely card we have information about the yarn, about the pattern, about the shipment. So the retail value of this box is $63, and you can get it for $24.99 American dollars. So if you change that to euro, according to today's rates, €21.22. For 2 skeins and 2 patterns. Tempting, huh? Okay, so let's see what we have over here. Just quick look, we have a 50% off coupon code also for pattern from the designer, one of the designers. So let's see what we got. In this crate, KnitCrate membership, we have an option of 4 colors. We're going to get 2 skeins of 1 color, and this is a surprise. Even though I have a peek on the KnitCrate Instagram and stuff, I still didn't know what I'm going to get, and the color I got, do you want to see it? It's yellow! I'm so happy. Most people that I watched got yellow. Well, actually, okay, it's not really actually yellow. Bananas. Popping color to add to any garments and shawls, even hats. Okay, so I'm going to show you yarn. Beautiful, yes, exactly the way you see it. Banana yellow yarn. And because it is a KnitCrate membership, previously I opened a sock KnitCrate. They have their own yarn brand, and this is Vidalana. I think that I'm saying it right. Color is bananas. It is softest sock, which will have 75% superwash merino, 15% nylon, and 10% cashmere. We have a cashmere over here, guys. It's a fingering weight in 100 grams, 400 meters, which is 437 yards. Cashmere. Let's not get too excited. Just to be sure, check the screen now. Vidalana, and all the information about colorway and the blend and yardage on the screen. Okay, 2. We have 2. How excited is that? Yeah, I should get a little bit more tan, I think, to wear this. But I think it's going to really add to some garments for like striping. Not only yarn for that $24.99, so which is €21, right? We're getting patterns. We're getting 2 patterns. This box is perfect for knitters and crocheters. Something completely outside the topic. If you haven't checked Ravelry group, Knitting I Love, go down, check it out. I run a CAL, which is knitting, crocheting, make along. Whatever you're knitting, whatever you're crocheting, go there. Add your finished object. I'll be so happy to see what you're knitting. Okay. On the side, patterns. So we're getting 2 patterns over here, and if you're knitting any KnitCrate, I would also recommend you to go to KnitCrate group. I'll go into link down below to them, because they run lovely giveaways too. So over here, as you can see, is that beautiful yellow that I received in this pattern. This is a crochet pattern, actually. Kahlura Hansen, I hope I'm saying it right. Crochet designer, Lemon cello, I think. Limoncello. I would read it that way. I hope I'm saying it right. Please check the screen. So we have a right information. And on the back we have a knitting pattern, Taiga Hillard and Minty Fresh. And we have a lovely leaves over here, I would say. Looks huge actually. Can you see it? How beautiful that is. Who got mint? That's really, really nice. Oh my, I'm not complaining. No, no, no. I don't have yellow in my stash. Well, I may have one yellow in my stash, but and I would have knitted with it, but the blend of it is, I think I have silk in it and I don't know exactly what to do. But this is perfect. Two skeins. Yes, so I think that's all. I told you about the coupon code if you want to subscribe for the first time to any of the KnitCrate subscriptions. You can get 20% off, use KL20. I told you about Ravelry group that they run, so if you're knitting any patterns with the KnitCrate, just double check their information anyway. I'll leave a link down below and try to find that for you. Don't forget to enter any of my cows, and the one that definitely is just like I can say everywhere is knitting, crocheting, make along. Whatever you're knitting, crocheting, pop over there. I don't want to go, but I have a third box to open. I can't wait to see what's that and what we have inside. If you haven't seen Sock Crate membership, check the link down below. I'm trying to put all there for you, and I hope to see you next one. Don't forget to use #knitting I love. Show me what you're knitting, and till the next one. Oh yeah, in this channel I also do a finished object video, so whatever I knit, I talk about it. You can find playlists with hats, shawls, toys, garments, whatever I fancy to knit. So check it out too. And longer episodes when I chat for more than 30 minutes. For sure, what's in my progress, what I finished, when did I go, and some vlogs. So it's quite busy over here. I hope you enjoyed this one. See you next one. Bye!